Peruvian quinoa and chicken bowl. Make 6 servings. Prep time 45 minutes. A high-protein meal prep bowl with boiled chicken, fluffy quinoa, cancha corn and a bright ají Amarillo dressing. 2 cups of quinoa uncooked. 1.5 kilograms of boneless skinless chicken breast. 1 cup of cancha corn toasted. 3 ripe avocados. 6 tablespoons of olive oil. 4 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. 3 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons of ají Amarillo paste. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Salt and black pepper to taste. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse 2 cups of quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. In a medium saucepan boil 4 cups of water. Add the rinsed quinoa and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Remove from heat and let rest covered for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork. Place the chicken breasts in a large pot and cover with cold water by 2 centimeters. Add 1 clove of smashed garlic and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce to a simmer. Cook for 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 74 degrees Celsius. Remove the chicken and let rest for 5 minutes before slicing. While the chicken cooks, prepare the dressing. In a blender, combine 2 tablespoons of ají Amarillo paste, 3 cloves of garlic peeled, 4 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend until smooth, about 30 seconds. Taste and adjust salt if needed. Toast 1 cup of cancha corn in a dry skillet over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes, shaking frequently until golden and crunchy. Transfer to a bowl and let cool. Slice the rested chicken breasts into even strips about 1 centimeter thick. Season lightly with salt and black pepper to taste. Divide the cooked quinoa into 6 meal prep bowls using about 1 cup of cooked quinoa per bowl. Arrange the sliced chicken over the quinoa. Fan sliced avocado over each bowl. Add a lime wedge to the side and sprinkle 2 tablespoons of toasted cancha corn per bowl. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of the ají Amarillo dressing over each bowl. Garnish with cilantro sprigs and a final squeeze of lime if desired. Store the bowls in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Reheat in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes if you prefer them warm, otherwise enjoy cold or at room temperature. This is the final step. Enjoy your meal and come back for more recipes. Peruvian quinoa and chicken bowls ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell for more. See you next time.